Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love! Back with me DJ Lala Banderas and eto na nga, if katulad ka ng karamihan ngayon, love na meron ka ding pinagdadaanang mabigat, ito yung isa sa mga paraan to get through hard times in life. Focus on the things you can control. Sabi nga 'di ba sa Prayer of Serenity, God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. If you'll keep on looking at the wrong things na nangyayari sa buhay mo, you'll get lost, my love. You'll be rattled, you'll be pressured, and you'll keep losing more. So stop it. Huwag mo nang i-magnify sa utak mo yung mga hindi magandang nangyayari and think long and hard sa mga bagay na you can still salvage, mga bagay na still within your control, mga bagay na kaya mo pang gawa ng paraan. There's no point, my love, in crying over the things you've lost. It's already done. It's already gone. Save that energy sa mga bagay na you can still keep and sa mga bagay na you can still gain. Again, love, focus on the things you can control, one of which is your attitude towards challenges. Instead of feeling defeated, change it to fighting mode. That, my love, you have a control over of. Klaro? Sa mga kabisyo nating nalulugmok sa kaliwat ka ng problema, my love, eto na ang ikalawang paraan how to get through tough times in life. Avoid negative people. The only reason as to why amplified o mas pinalakas ang puwersa ng negatibo sa'yo is because you keep on associating yourself with negative people. Yung feeling na galit ka na nga, tapos yung mga kasama mo gumagatong pa sa nararamdaman mo, amplifying what you currently feel. Sino nga ba naman ang hindi sasabog, di ba? Remember, whenever things are not going your way, talk to the best person you know that can make sense out of it. Someone you know na may strong willpower at positive aura to keep you motivated. Now, if you are surrounded by negative people, mga taong puro gatong, puro chismis, puro sumbat, then maybe you have to change the environment you're in. Life is tough enough, my love. Don't make it even harder by surrounding yourself with people na wala namang positibong maidudulot sa buhay mo. If puro sakit at problema lang yung dinadala nila sa'yo, let them go. Ang tawag dyan, hindi pag-iwan. It's you setting yourself free from the people that's holding you back. Klaro? Oras na nga para magpahinga muna tayo saglit sa ating biyaheng hard times and just focus our time and attention sa isa nating kapwa biyahero ng buhay na may pinagdadaanan. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Ito, ang biyahe ni Tina. Good evening, DJ Lala. Gusto ko lang pong humingi ng advice. Tawagin niyo na lang po ako sa pangalang Tina. May kinakasama po ako for 6 years. Meron na po kaming 2 anak. Madalas po kasi kaming mag-away at tuwing nagtatalo kami, lagi kaming tinataboy ng mga anak ko. Lagi niyang sinasabi sa akin na ayaw na niya sa akin kasi ako lang daw ang nagdala ng hirap sa kanya. At nang dahil daw sa akin, di sana masisira yung buhay niya. Dapat po ba akong magstay, DJ Lala? Sa tuwing nag-aaway po kasi kami parang di ko deserve mahalin at pabigat lang kami sa buhay niya. Wala na din siyang time sa amin dahil lagi niyang hawak yung cellphone niya at halos hindi ko na po yun mahawakan. Kaya naguguluhan po ako, DJ Lala. Pero pinipilit ko pong maging okay kami para na lang sa 2 naming anak. Maraming salamat po. Sana mabasa niyo po ito dahil wala po akong sariling cellphone. Nakikinig po ako from Banlat Road, Tandang Sora. Thank you and more power to your show. Well, hi Tina. First of all, right off the bat, let me tell you this. No one deserves na mapalayas. Higit pa na rason kung wala ka namang ginagawang masama to merit that action. Kasi ako na-try ko na to multiple times bilang someone na maraming address for the past 10 years or more ng buhay ko. This is the most humiliating thing a person can ever experience. Lalo na kung wala naman siyang pupuntahang iba, this is it. You and your kids do not deserve that, especially the kids. Alam mo, when I read about this, I took the liberty to check out your profile. You look like a woman who knows how to grind. You are an online seller, so clearly you know how to earn money on your own. So if I were you, Tina, give yourself a few more months of patiently being with a man like him. Save some and invest on a house for you and your kids. He is either with you or against you on this. Take control sa course ng buhay nyo by moving independently. Stop asking him to get himself involved sa buhay ninyo. Gumawa ka ng sariling desisyon para sa iyo at sa mga anak mo. And the next time na itaboy ka niya at mga anak mo, take the offer, my love. You are better off without a guy na sinisisi ang kakulangan niya bilang isang ama sa ibang tao. You are better off without a guy na isinisisi yung disappointing turnout ng buhay niya sa mga batang inosente at walang kamuang-muang. I know you are trying to keep your family together, but that grind in life takes two to tango. Hindi ikaw yung dead weight. He is. If all he can manage to do ay itaboy kayo sa mga oras ng naghihirap, then he is not worth it to be called a life partner, let alone a father. So for now, Tina, focus on your own business. Grind, my love, grind. Learn the ropes ng housing offers ng government and get one for yourself and your kids sa amount of money na kinikita mo sa online selling. And I'm telling you, that is enough if you'll be smart enough to understand and study yung ropes ng housing. Because Tina, one way of getting rid sa mga taong may kapal ng apog na magpalayas ay get a house of your own. A house of your own with no one can tell you na lumayas ka. Kasi iyo yon. Sa'yo yon at sa mga anak mo yon. So be patient, my love. Focus and grind. Stop trying to build a family kasi love, you already have one and it's not working. So start building a future for you and for your kids. Klaro? Nako, Tina, I hope that one helps. I hope that one empowers you to move independently. Kasi sa panahon talaga ngayon, you cannot rely on anybody else but yourself. So help yourself, strengthen yourself, and move independently for you and for those people na hindi kayang protektahan, depensahan, at itayo yung mga sarili nila, which are your kids. They are highly reliant on you and you are their only hope. So if I were you, move independently and stop thinking about this guy. Stop wasting time sa kanya. Stop wasting your attention sa kanya. Focus on you and focus on the kids. Klaro? Nako, sa mga kabisyo natin, kung katulad ni Tina, meron din kayong pinagdadaanan and you want some point of clarity and you want to get it from me, all you have to do is send your problems over DJ Lala Banderas Facebook page. Pwede din sa IG account or text me sa ating biyahe text line 0917-851-4329. Again, 0917-851-4329. Andito na naman tayo sa dulo ng ating biyahe ngayong Thursday evening na biyaheng hard times. Huling payo sa mga may pinagdadaanan. Do not withdraw during hard times. Easier said than done, I know, pero ito nga yung lagi kong pinaparealize sa mga taong sinusubok ng buhay. What other choice do you have? If you quit now, saan ka pupulutin? Saan ka makakarating? Nowhere, right? So when things are getting rough, that's when you keep on pushing. That's when you motivate yourself to keep on going. Kasi sometimes, the right way is the hard way. No shortcuts, no easy route. If you won't go through it, there's no way para makarating ka sa paroroonan. So have faith in yourself, my love, because I do have faith in you. Walang ibibigay sa'yo na hindi mo kaya. Trust yourself and keep pushing. Klaro? Nako, sa mga kabisyo natin, I think that's it for us tonight. Sana po na-inspire kita to move forward with life and sabay nating harapin yung mga pagsubok ng buhay. Now, if you need a little pushing from someone, then all you have to do is send your problem over sa Facebook page ko, DJ Lala Banderas, or IG account, or sa ating biyahe text line. And I'll try my best to help you out, okay? Itutuloy-tuloy ko na lang muna ang tugtugan, pero before I do that, papaalala ko lang sa mga gustong makapakinig ng ating previous episodes ng biyahe, all you have to do ay pumunta sa Love Radio YouTube channel, hanapin ang playlist, hanapin ang biyahe sa mga playlist. Or you can always follow me on my socials, DJ Lala Banderas on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Laika. Sa lahat po ng bumoto sa atin sa best, sa running nomination natin na Best Radio Jock sa Lionheart TV Awards, maraming salamat po. If you haven't checked it out yet, then all you have to do ay pumunta sa Lion TV Heart and check out the nomination and how to vote. Okay, maraming salamat again for supporting me, my love. Nakasama niyo po DJ Lala para sa 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang. Ito ang ating programang biyahe and I'll see you guys again sa biyahe natin tomorrow. Good night everybody. Catch you again guys tomorrow. Bye. Love you.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.